Welcome to 8105 Grand Estuary Trail, unit number 306. This fantastic condo is located in Riverstrand Golf and Country Club, and I wanted to start off with the view from the lanai because it is so breathtaking and beautiful. So you have got this beautiful long water view, golf course view, and water over there to the west as well. This is your spacious lanai, which you can spend out here in the mornings. You'll be able to see the sun rising in the east, so you can have your coffee out here in the morning and enjoy that. As you step in, this is your living space in the back of this unit. It's called the Brookside. So you have your great room area. Then you have what some people use as a den. Others can also use it as a formal dining room if you want to. You have your open kitchen and you have your little breakfast nook. So you can utilize this space really however you want to. They have chosen to use this, as I said, as a den. So they have a little desk here. This is a sleeper sofa. And this unit also comes totally furnished. So pretty much everything you see is included. It does not obviously include personal items like clothing and things like that. But this is a pantry. You can see there's stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. And as we walk through, one other feature that people really like about this unit is that's the front door, is that the 2-bedroom doors are here. So all of the sleeping is done at that end and all your living is done at this end. This is your laundry closet. So it is included in the unit, which is really nice. And they've got all their cleaning supplies in there. And let's take a look at, this is kind of your powder room, guest wing, if you want to call it that. So you have a shower tub, and then we have twin beds in here, a dresser, and a standard closet. So plenty of space. They've got twin beds, which will accommodate guests, grandkids, whoever might be coming to visit. And then we have the main bedroom, which is just lovely and sunny. And it does get some sun, but it's bright and sunny because of the colors. So I think it's such a happy vibe in here. This is a standard closet. And then this one is more of the walk-in closet. We do have some items stored in here. Those are their personal items, but that gives you a lot more space. And then in here is the primary bathroom, and there is a shower as well. So that is the wonderful functional floor plan that you have here. It really is all the space that you need. And I also want to point out from the front here, what an amazing view. Welcome again to Florida. So there is an elevator right down the hallway right there. We are on the 3rd floor. There's also a storage closet right around the corner that belongs to this unit. It's probably like an 8x8 room. And you can see here, there are carports. So you do have one assigned parking spot, and then there's guest parking as well. In Riverstrand Golf and Country Club, we have 8 pools. So there are 2 resort style pools, and then there are 6 satellite pools. So you can enjoy any of those. This unit comes with a golf deeded membership. And what that means to you is that you do not have to pay for greens fees. You simply pay for cart fees, which are right around $25. So it is really a deal if you are a golfer. You enjoy golfing, and who wouldn't on this beautiful course? It was just recently renovated, and Andrew Green was the designer. So we really take care of all of our amenities and golf course here at Riverstrand. If there are any other questions that you have, you can always reach out to me or have your realtor reach out to me. Oh, and the other great thing about this unit is they just replaced the air conditioner last year. So brand new HVAC system in 2023. And they also upgraded these screens to the 2020 screens, which are just denser. to keep any of those little tiny things we call no-see-ums in Florida out. So again, what a beautiful unit and what a beautiful day. So come and see it before it's gone.